Don't tell me. What do you mean by ID?
Address.
Comparing
Yeah,
the memory locations of two objects, sir.
Yeah, very good. Actually, it's like ID will give you the address of your object. Actually, object can be a variable, object can be a string, object can be anything like list or whatever it is. Okay, so every variable or object will have an address associated with it, right? We call it as ID. Okay, so if your variables are having the same numbers, their IDs are same, right? మనం ఇవి చూసాం కదా నిన్న.
Yes, sir.
సో ఇలాగా వచ్చేసి సేమ్ నేమ్స్ కనుక ఉన్నాయనుకుంటే వాటికి సేమ్ అడ్రస్లు వచ్చేసి ఉంటాయి నాన్న. సో ఇన్ కేస్ కనుక if they are having different values, their IDs will be different. And what are the identity operators actually is not, right?
Is not.
Yeah, very good. So we'll check those things, right? If they are having same IDs means we'll get a true value. If they get different values, we'll get the different like false value, right?
Yes,
That's about the identity operator, Nana. Okay, so now we'll move on to another concept. You know this in the C language also, right? So operator precedence and associativity. What do you mean by operator precedence? We call it priority also, operator priorities, right? Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so 1 plus 40 star 7. Okay, so there is a plus and star. So which one is first you have to evaluate? Chapani. Star, obviously,
Star.
right? Yeah, star. So 40 into 7 means 280.
280 plus 10.
Then plus 10 means 290. Okay, so why you done that is actually we know that in arithmetic operations, multiplication is having high priority than the addition, right? Okay, so this is the table, ma. Okay, so like we have that priority and associative table in C language. So in Python also we got this table that tells you that operator precedence and associativity. Okay, so you can see that what is the operator that is having the highest priority in our Python? Exponentiation, right? So exponentiation is the one which is having the highest priority, and above all these actually, so parenthesis is the one which is having the high priority, right? ఈ టేబుల్ లో మనం ఆపరేటర్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడడం కానీ parenthesis గురించి చెప్పలేదు. But if there is something you use a parenthesis will have a high priority. అలాగే next parenthesis అనుకుంటే innermost parenthesis will have the highest priority. మీకు తెలుసు కదా అది C లో చెప్పుకున్నారు మనం, రైట్? పెరాంథసిస్. ఓకే, ఒక దేనైనా సరే నేను పెరాంథసిస్ లోపల కనుక పెడితే ఈవెన్ దో ఆ ఆపరేటర్ కి లోయెస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ ఉన్నా కూడా సిన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద పెరాంథసిస్ ఇట్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ద హైయెస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so then after exponentiation, what are the other operators you are having? You are having complement and unary plus and unary minus. They are not the arithmetic operators, Nana. They are the unary plus and unary minus. And then you are having this multiplication, division, modulus division, and float division, right? Then you are having the addition and subtraction. So after this, you are having these left shift and right shift operators, right? Left shift and right shift operators. After that, we are having this bitwise and then bitwise exclusive OR and bitwise OR. Then we are having these comparison operators. Comparison operators are nothing but the relational operators, right? Less than or equals to, less than, greater than or equals to, greater than or equals to. Then we are having the assignment operators. Equality operators are also there, like equal, not equal, right? And there are assignment operators like just normal assignment is equals to, and compound assignment is slash equals to, plus equals to, star equals to. You know all those things, right? And the next priority goes to the identity operators, that is not. And next we are having these membership operators, in, not in. And finally we are having these logical operators. What are those logical operators? Not, or, and, right? Okay, so we'll just you can read them from anywhere, like online or somewhere, right? but there are not much operators are here, so you can easily remember this. Okay, what is the one that is having the highest priority? Exponentiation. Okay, exponentiation, right? So, and what is the operators that are having the lowest priority?
Logical operator.
Yeah, logical operators. Okay, logical operators. Okay, so just try to remember these operators and their priorities. I'll just ask you some questions, right? Okay, so I'll give you just 2 minutes. Okay, just read those things, like which one is first and which one is next, and like order, right? So try to remember that order. I'll ask you the questions, right? Among the identity operator and membership operators, which is having high priority?
Identity operators.
So identity operators are having the high priority. It's like ఏమంటారు స్క్రీన్ తీసారా? హలో, చేయలేదు కదా? మంచోళ్ళు అన్న, మీరు చాలా మంచివాళ్ళు. వెరీ గుడ్. Like, okay, then between the equality operators and assignment operators, which has got the high priority?
Equality operators.
Yeah, equality operator has got the high priority. That's very good, Nana. And between the left shift, right shift, and bitwise operators, which has got high priority?
Left shift, right shift, and right.
Yeah, left shift, right shift has got. Okay, very good. And among these bitwise operators, like bitwise and exclusive OR and OR, which has got the highest priority?
Bitwise and.
Okay, very good. That's absolutely right, right? Bitwise and has got the high priority. Okay, very good. And what is the operator that is having the least priority?
Logical operators.
Okay, logical operators. What are the logical operators?
Not or and.
Okay, not or, and that's absolutely right, Nana. So nice, very good. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm just again sharing the screen. Right. Okay, now can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so yeah, we just got here, right? This is called the priority and associativity. We got some examples, right? So you can see here, like we're using this parentheses and different operators. So I just given the answers actually. So try to get how that is evaluated, right? So in 40 plus 20, slash 10 in first example, which is the operation that is got evaluated? Example, actually, what is the operation that is get first evaluated? 40 plus 20 star 30 slash 10. Which one is the one that is getting first evaluated?
Star.
Parenthesis.
కొంతమంది స్టార్ అంటున్నారు. స్టార్ కాదు కదా నాన్న. So we got a parenthesis, right? So parenthesis is the one which is having the highest priority. Okay, so 40 plus 20 is first evaluated, so that is 60, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 60, and then which is the one next getting evaluated? Star, obviously.
Star.
So 16 to 30 means you will get 1800, right? Then
Yes,
we
sir.
divide with 10, so which becomes a 180, right? 1800 divided is 180. Okay, in the next example, which is the one that is getting first evaluated? Because there are 2 parentheses, which is the one for getting first evaluated? Innermost parenthesis. Okay, what is the operator in innermost parenthesis?
Plus.
Plus, obviously. Yeah, plus is the one, right? So again, same concept, right? You'll get 180. Okay, then what about the third example? In third example, we are having two separate parentheses. They are not nested, right? Two separate parentheses.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then which is first?
Yes, sir.
Then which is first?
Addition.
Actually, so yeah, obviously we'll come from left
Addition,
to
sir.
right. Obviously, is first addition, then it performs next. What is that? Second one.
Division.
Division. 30 by 10 is a
Division.
yeah, 30 by 10, that is a 3, obviously. So 60 into 3
Next
is 180,
multiplication.
right?
180.
Very good. Yeah, very good. And what about the last one?
Parenthesis.
Parenthesis, obviously. So 20 into 30 means tell me.
600.
600.
600.
Then 600. Then what is the next operation that will be performed?
Addition.
ఏ
Addition.
ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు? ప్లస్ ఉంది, స్లాష్ ఉంది నాన్న. తర్వాత ఏం జరుగుతుంది?
Division.
By 10.
Division,
sir,
right? Yeah, please. ఫస్ట్ ఏం జరుగుతుంది అన్న? ఇది జరుగుతుంది ఫస్ట్, రైట్? ఇది. So you'll get a 600, right? Then you are having a plus and a slash. Plus slash lo ఎవరు ఫస్ట్ అన్న? ఎవరు high priority?
Slash.
Slash.
Obviously. 600 by 10. What is that? 600 by 10.
60.
Obviously 60. So final thing is 40 plus 60, which is 100.
Plus 40, 100.
Plus 100, right? మర్చిపోకూడదు, ఓకేనా? ప్లస్ ముందా
Yes, sir.
స్లాష్ ముందా? ప్లస్ ముందా స్లాష్ ముందా?
Your voice is
Slash.
not clear, sir.
Slash.
Again my voice is breaking. You know, yeah, this is the కొంచెం, it's like a bit tricky on this one actually. So anyone can you can tell me that, like I actually given the answers, but you have to tell me that how actually you got that answer. You have to tell me that order actually, which is first and which is next, and how we got that answer, right? So anyone can tell me that. Okay, so in the first example, we just written it as a false equals to false or true. Okay, how many operators are there, ma?
Two, sir.
Yeah, operators are there. Okay, what are those actually? Equality operator and or operator, right?
Or
Yes.
Yeah, so which one has got the high priority?
equality operator.
Equality, please. Hey, R కాదు, ఇన్నర్ చూసారు కదా ప్రయారిటీస్. మళ్ళీ చూపిస్తాను ఉండండి కొన్ని. మీరు ఇలా చేయకండి ప్లీజ్, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోమన్నది అందుకే అయింది అక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఈక్వాలిటీ కి హయ్యా లేకపోతే ఆర్ కి హయ్యా? వెయిట్.
Equality.
Okay, so equality is here actually, and R is at the last, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just to make sure that okay, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి నన్ను వచ్చేసి. సో ఫస్ట్ టైం ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ కావాలి నన్ను నాకు. చెప్పండి. ఫాల్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఫాల్స్, రైట్? కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
మళ్ళీ అప్డేట్ కాలేదు.
Yes,
ఓకే, ఫాల్స్. ఓకే, ఫాల్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఫాల్స్. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్ నాన్న. ఫాల్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఫాల్స్, ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్?
True.
True, sir.
True, Nana. Okay, so let me take this pen. Okay, guys, ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి నాన్న. సో ఫాల్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఇది వచ్చేసి ఇవాల్యుయేట్ అవుతుంది. ఫాల్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఫాల్స్ అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న నాకు? విల్ గెట్ ట్రూ, రైట్? సో తర్వాత ఎవరెవరికి ట్రూ ఆర్ ట్రూ ఏమొస్తుంది అన్న? ట్రూ ఆర్ ట్రూ అంటే ఆర్ ఆపరేషన్. True, Nana. So the answer is true only, right? Answer is true only. Okay, and coming to the second example, you can see here how many operators are here actually, including parentheses. There are 3, right?
3.
Yes.
Yeah. So since we got that parenthesis over that or operator, so now the high priority goes to which one?
Parenthesis.
Parenthesis. So you have to evaluate. We have to evaluate this first. False or true? What you get?
True.
True, obviously. So or operator kabatti true nanu chesi. False equals to true.
False, sir.
False nana. So the final answer is false, right? You get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And this one actually we put the parenthesis to the first one. So this is similar to the first one only, obviously. False equals to false means you'll get the true value here, right?
True.
Yeah, true or true means true only, right? So it's easy.
Yes, sir.
It's easy. Very good. Okay, so we'll come back here. Actually, I want to show you something. Okay, guys. Okay. Can you see my screen now? నేను అప్డేట్ అయిందా మీకు స్క్రీన్?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ఇట్స్ లైక్ కంపైలర్ కనిపించట్లేదు మీకు. ఇవాళ ఇంటిలో ఏడిపించేస్తున్నారు. Okay, what now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. కనిపిస్తుంది.
Yeah, now it's okay, very good. True. Okay, true. Okay, what do you get for this?
True, sir.
True, obviously. If I write a ND here, now end రాస్తానన్నా.
False.
అప్డేట్ అయిందా?
False.
అప్డేట్ అయిందా?
Late, sir.
Okay. And వచ్చి false
Updated,
now.
sir.
Okay, very
అయింది
good.
సార్.
Okay, very good. So we'll just want to show you the previous example like this, right? So true equals to false. Then we are having or. Then we are having false actually. Okay, so any guesses for this?
False.
Very good, Nana. So ఎవరు చెప్పింది? Okay, ఎవరు చెప్పింది? ఇద్దరు చెప్పారా?
46, sir.
Okay, very good. 46. Parent Nana.
Vaishnavi, sir.
Okay, Vaishnavi. That's nice answer, Nana. Okay, sir. ఇది వచ్చేసి ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న? True equals to false now will become a false now. False or false is obviously false, right? So you get the false. Okay, Nana? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And what about this? Get in that happened.
False. False.
So ended with false means obviously that becomes a false now, right? So there is no
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in it. So when you are applying this AND operation and one of the value is a false, obviously you'll get the false only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then I'll just make it as a or and I'll just put the parenthesis over here. Okay, what about this, Nana?
True.
True, sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Very good. Very good. So how do you get it true? First, true or false will give you true. Then true equals to true is a true, obviously, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And just look at this. Okay. చూడండి అన్న, ఇట్స్ లైక్ అప్డేట్ అయితే చెప్పండి నాకు.
False.
False.
Yeah. So what is that
False.
not? What is that not actually? So for the entire expression, we just put the not. So previously it was true actually. So we are not means that becomes a false now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Nana. So that's how these things will get actually works. Okay. PPT కి వచ్చేసమ్మా మళ్ళీ అప్డేట్ అయిందా నాన్న?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just wait a sec, maybe అవుతుంది.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what you can see.
Input and output statement.
Yeah, very good, Nana. So next we are into the next concept called input and output statements. Like, okay, so now we have seen print statement. Almost every example we are using print. Output function or output method is actually the print, right? So similarly to the print, actually there is another method called input method is there, okay, which is known as the standard input method. So input method is the one which is used to read some value from the user, right?
Yes, sir.
Enana.
Yes, sir.
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అయింది, నాది కూడా అలాగే బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా ఏంటి?
Yes, sir.
My voice is breaking.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
నాన్న ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంది వాయిస్?
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. So ఈ రోజు మామూలుగా లేదు అసలు జీవితం. Okay, so is my screen shared?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా? సో ఏం చెప్పాం మనం వచ్చేసి ప్రింట్ తో పాటుగా ఇంకో ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది, ఏమంటాం నాన్న దాన్ని వచ్చేసి ఇన్పుట్ అంటాము,
Input.
రైట్? యా. సో మనం ప్రింట్ తో అన్ని చూసాము కదా, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ కెన్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ ఆన్ ఆపరేషన్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సీ ద రిజల్ట్ యూ జస్ట్ యూజ్ ద ప్రింట్ అండ్ దట్ ప్రింట్స్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So similar to this actually, right? Similar to this actually, there is a input function అన్న. ఓకే, సో ఇన్పుట్ ఫంక్షన్ వచ్చేసి ఏం చేస్తుంది అని అంటే వాల్యూని వచ్చేసి రీడ్ చేస్తుంది నేను. ఓకే, ఏవో ఇక్కడికి రండి ఒకసారి. I'll just show you that, right? సో ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది స్క్రీన్ మీద?
Input statements.
Yeah, input statements. Okay, so sometimes actually what we have to do is we have to read some values from the keyboard actually, right? So if I want to ask for some number to enter the from the user actually, so ఏం చేస్తాం మనం అంటే ఇన్పుట్ అని రాసి ఇన్పుట్ లో parenthesis లోపల సింగిల్ కోట్స్ లో we'll put that question and enter a number, enter two values, something like that. The two values in the sense obviously we don't take actually. So here actually we just ask for enter a number, then you can print that on the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, this is the input method actually. Then I'll show you the different kinds of output methods. Okay, so first I'll just show you that. Okay, so if your screen is updated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me take this. So I'm declaring a variable A and I'm just asking it for input. You can see that now. So can you see?
Yes, sir.
సో ఇన్పుట్ లోపల నేను ఏం రాసాను, ఎంటర్ ఏ నంబర్ అని అడిగాను. సో నాకు స్క్రీన్ మీద ఏం అడిగింది అన్నది ఎంటర్ ఏ నంబర్ అని అడిగింది. సో ఐ జస్ట్ టైప్ ద నంబర్ 12. యా జస్ట్ టైప్ ద నంబర్ 12 అండ్ ప్రింట్ వచ్చేసి ఏం చేస్తుంది, నేను a equals to 12 అని ప్రింట్ చేసింది, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. సో అలాగే వచ్చేసి ఇలాగా కోఆర్డినేట్ స్లోగా ఉందేనా? అండ్ మీకు 2కి క్లాస్ ఉంది కదా మళ్ళీ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? సో I'll just winding off here now, right? We'll continue in the next class. Okay, just